So we have material that we might want to think about, and we've covered all this, but to see it here, I think is important. So, like, it's critical your endoscope is good, in good working order. So, of course, that also means the image is good. We touched on that before, but also that the tip bend is good, and it's actually super critical in most situations. You may often think to yourself, "Oh, I can't execute a retroflexion, or maybe my technique is not good enough." But you get to a point where you know what your you know the limitations of your own technique, and if you can't achieve it, maybe it's because of the tip bend. And I cannot tell you the number of times when I take the colonoscope out and I couldn't do a retroflexion right colon, for example, and the tip bend is less than 180 degrees, for example. You think, right, well, yeah, that's pretty unsafe. So in ESD, of course, all the parameters are much more shrunken, and all the minor subtle differences between the the subtle deficiencies in the equipment cause very big problems, like it's magnified. So tip bend is one of those things. Whether you work on an anorectal junction, the gastroesophageal junction, which you observed earlier, was no chance we could have done that lesion without good tip bend on the endoscope, and the tip bend of that endoscope was fantastic. So it's totally critical. And it goes for everything. It goes for cap position, instruments coming out. It goes for all the subtle stuff, which is why when you have nurses who start working in this space and they've been working in the general endoscopy space, they're so